Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas 2023 episode 1. And I hope all is well. It's a cold and frosty morning here, 1st of December, and we'll make a start on opening my advents. Now my advents are from Yarn Whisperer, Botanical Yarns and My Yarny Corner. And apologies to Alex and Danny. I, for some reason, call their company My Crafty Corner, and it's not. It's My Yarny Corner, so apologies. And I should know, really, but I must have had a brain freeze. Anyway, so as I told you in my introduction video, I'm just going to, this is going to be kind of me explaining on what I'm going to do and showing the advents. And the first advent I want to go, as you can see, I've changed my nutcracker. Oh, and I've not put my little tree on. There we go. I put my little tree on, and you can see the little animal. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out number 1. Now you know this is what Rick has done. So what have we got in number 1? We have got woohoo, a chocolate. Oh nice. And he's got me some jokey things, guys. He's got me a little costume ring. I'll just put it on there so you can see. So he's just got me some little jokey things. Bless him. So, well, at least it's not jelly beans, guys. At least it's not jelly beans. So that was in box number 1. So that is advent number 1. So I've had them. I'll put that in there. So that's there. So we've done that. So the first one I'm going to open is from Botanical Yarns. And last year I bought this Christmassy project bag, and I thought ideal to use for this year. So I got some stitch markers. I got some needle stoppers. I'm still waiting for an email from Botanical Yarn with the pattern, and I do know it's a shawl pattern that is, you can either knit or crochet it, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do the pattern. I need to see it first. So that is that. Let me just, you've got the glare of the, how the heck do I open it? Oh no, they're not crispy. Yeah, well, they look like. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them, guys. Oh, upside down, Linda. Aren't they cute? So I've got them. I've got a pin badge to go on my pin. Hanger. It says Botanical Yard Advent 2023. I got a thank you card from them, and then I have also got this thing. It's a knitted shawl pattern and a crocheted shawl pattern, so and they'll be emailed to me. And then I got a little bag of Tang Faster little Haribo, and my Botanical Yarns has got this. So let's go in. Can't do it like that, can I? I need to. Can't even get in it, guys. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that. So that is the colour for today. So that is door number 1. Whoops, let me put that over there. So it's a lovely yellow colour, lemon, So I'm going to cake that up and make a start on my Advent, because as you know I'm doing my Advents in December, so that is one. Now my Yarny Corner has sent the link for a shawl pattern to purchase off their website for the Advent, but I'm not going to do that. I am going to be doing Stephen West's, there we go, Stephen West Melting Marl blanket, but not as blanket, as a wrap. So we'll see. So it comes in this lovely box, which I'm going to keep it in, and we'll pick out day one, which is this one, and let's see. And day one is, ooh, there's a little sweet in there, and this is also yellow. Wow, very nice, with the little bit of grey, and yeah, very nice and soft. It's a finger weight, I do believe. Let me just check. Yep, it is a finger weight. So that is the yarn. They got the speckles in it. So it's, this is about the wildlife. So yeah, so I'm happy with that, and I got a little sweet and little toffee orange. So that is for me to make a start on that. So that's to cake up, and I've got this bag. I'm not sure where I got this bag from, but oh, this is from Botanical Yarn as well, and it's a square bottom. So yeah, so this is the bag that I'm going to be using for this. Now, Yarn Whisperers, this is going to be my crocheted, this is going to be crocheted, and I put it in this basket, and this is Kitey's, and the Yarn Whisperers, and I am going to be doing my, now I was going to call this the leaf square, but I'm going to call it the elf square, because Kitey's Advent is all about the film Elf with Will Ferrell. So I thought, what better way than to rename it Elf. Leaf Elf, or Elf Leaf. Elf Leaf. Try saying that when you've had a few drinks. So anyway, this is what I'm going to be using Kitey Yarn Whisperers Advent. So it says open on day one, and I have got a day one, I think. Oh yes, I've got a day one. So this is day one, and this is day one. So let's see, what have I got? Oh, little tags. So I'm going to need them for all the clues that are coming up, because Kitey's is a little bit different. I'm not going to spoil the surprise or whatever. And this is clue 1 yarn. So let's see. Oh, this is everybody's gone with lemons, guys. Everybody's gone with some, there's yellow in nearly all of them. Look at that. That's lovely. Lovely. Nice and squishy. There's little bit of green and grey and the lemon. So excited to make a start on this. So those are my advents for day one. Day two will be filmed on, I'm going to do day 2 and day 3 on Sunday, as I'm out all day tomorrow from 7 o'clock in the morning, and I won't get home till 7 o'clock at night, so I won't have to be absolutely shattered after the Christmas fair. So I will record days 2 and 3 on Sunday. So I hope you've enjoyed. I'm really excited to get stuck in. I'm going to wind this yarn up. I'm going to go and check out what I need to do on Kitey's, on the Yarn Whisperer, what I need to do now, and I'll be back on Sunday. Have a wonderful day, everybody, and thank you so much for being here. And please share with your friends. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, well, Sunday, until Sunday, bye for now.